don't want to angle the bit, as this can leave lines of demarcation or rings of fire at the cuticle. Use the bit without applying pressure. The bit should refine the nail without any pressure being applied. If you apply too much pressure, you will create heat and discomfort for the client. Heat is caused by too much pressure being applied when filing. Using your silicone bit at 2000 to 4000 RPMs, begin by removing the terrarium. Keeping your bit parallel to the nail plate, start at the free edge of the lateral nail fold and follow the side wall around the cuticle to the opposite lateral nail fold. This motion appears in the form of a U-turn. This procedure should be done with gentle to no pressure. After the terrarium has been removed, use the silicone bit to remove any surface shine. Place the bit parallel to the nail. Start by removing the excess tip at the free edge line. Go across the tip horizontally in one motion, allowing the bit to shave the plastic away. After the free edge is thinned, line up the edge of the sanding band to meet the top of the tips well. Hold the hand parallel to the nail and repeat the same motion as done with the free edge. Remember to use slower speeds for the well and then the free edge. Begin shortening by supporting the nail with a firm grip at the free edge. This will support the nail and prevent excessive vibration. Using the portion of the bit closest to the shank, hold the handpiece vertical to the nail and apply even pressure while filing straight across the top of the free edge. Taper or small barrel, thin the body of the artificial nail and reduce the acrylic to 20% of the original depth. It is important to stay away from the regrowth closest to the cuticle, regardless if there is lifting or air pockets. Starting with the bit parallel to the nail, begin thinning the product at the center of the nail. Rock back and forth horizontally from the lateral nail fold while moving the bit up to the top of the nail. A 2-week, 4-week or straight edge barrel bit, hold the bit parallel to the nail at the center of the new smile line and drill straight down to test the remaining depth of the product and to make your guide mark. Place the bit to either side of the smile line at the lateral nail fold and trace the smile line to meet the center guide mark. Mirror this process from the other lateral nail fold to complete the smile line. Be sure that the new smile line is on the free edge only and not over the nail bed. Remove all remaining white product by rocking back and forth between the lateral nail folds, creating a smile line edge at the free edge. Be careful not to remove the free edge of the natural nail. Bit parallel to the nail plate, place the side edge at the new smile line and drill straight down to test the depth of the product and to make your guide mark. Place the bit to either side of the smile line at the lateral nail fold and trace the smile line to meet the center guide mark. Mirror this process from the other lateral nail fold to complete the smile line. It is important to bring your client's hand to an eye level, placing her elbow on the table. This will help you achieve the correct angle to complete the next step correctly. Angle your handpiece downward and place the bottom half of your bit up against the guideline to allow the bit to remove the residual product and to eliminate any shadows. For longer nails, it may be necessary to adjust the bit to allow for more room while filing. If comfort prohibits you from performing this step with the French fill bit, you can replace your French fill bit with a prepper bit or barrel bit to complete the procedure. Place the bit to either side of the smile line at the lateral nail fold and trace the smile line to meet the center guide mark. Mirror this process from the other lateral nail fold to complete the smile line. Be sure that the new smile line is on the free edge only and not over the nail bed. Remove all remaining white product by rocking back and forth between the lateral nail folds, creating a smile line edge at the free edge. Be careful not to remove the free edge of the natural nail. White product shall be done with a one ball method for consistency. Place the medium dry ball of product up against the wall of the smile line and press into place, not going over the backfill cut. Otherwise you will mute the sharpness of the smile line. If required, with the tip of a clean brush, wipe the smile line to eliminate any white product from running into the pink product. Then apply your pink or clear product at the regrowth. Try not to apply excessive pink acrylic over the white. Hold the bit parallel to the nail at the application's highest point. Begin to shape the nail by rocking back and forth between the lateral nail fold. All the nails are refined to the desired shape, you may begin to refine the acrylic near the cuticle area. Reduce your speed to under 6,000 RPM, keep your bit parallel to the nail plate, and start at the top of the free edge. For full control, it is important that you work with your wrist on the manicuring table and not suspended. You must anchor both your hand and the client's hand for proper control. If you are right-handed, your left hand should be palm up with the back of your hand positioned comfortably on the table. The opposite is true with a left-handed technician. Hold the handpiece in between the thumb and the index. The C-curve is only necessary if there is excessive product underneath the free edge or to correct the C-curve on a nail that has a new application. Bring the client's hand to eye level and approach the C-curve with the bit completely parallel. Do not angle your hand while doing the C-curve, as it will not come out correctly. Hold the bit flush until the underside of the excessive acrylic is removed and even with the free edge of the natural nail. Removing an air pocket is easy with an electric file. Begin by placing the bit horizontally on the nail. With the edge of the bit, go round the rim of the pocket until it loosens and frees itself. premature lifting. Use the taper or barrel bit to smooth the surrounding area. It is very important to keep the bit parallel to the nail plate at all times during this procedure and to remain off the natural nail so that you do not risk damaging the natural nail while performing this procedure.